Hey, I got my nigga Rack with me. And we in the state. Tell him.
Yeet.
What the fuck, call him?
They fucked up the videos, man.
I bought a new car, y'all.
Shut up, bitch.
Make a
This
snap,
fucking
bitch.
pussy recorded me on Snap. Is that a chunky? C-Mac. C-Mac.
The one so you might be king for it. Yeah, the yellow, that's the orange. How you doing?
I was on it. I ain't.
You hear it? You
I
trying
ain't
to?
want to.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Lamar, man. I'm back at y'all with another video, man. As y'all can see by that title, by that thumbnail, we is at the gun range, you feel me? Me and my boy Mir, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man. It's like shit, man.
Nah, but for real though, man, we finna probably be like an hour and a half out here at the gun range, for real. Get set up and shit, see what guns we can rent, and I'm gonna catch y'all when we get there.
Yeah, that's good.
It shouldn't be too out.
I swear. You know, Glock 35, 36. That bitch small.
Yeah.
You can get that 45 cal.
This is it for Glock 30, is it?
Yeah. Yeah. What that is? Glock 30? But that bitch only hold 8 bullets.
Right. What's good, gang?
Ugly as shit.
What's wrong, man?
What up?
Hey, come.
It is, man.
Oh, what up?
Child,
Cool.
Bro, we going to the
Hey, bro. Did you fuck that game?
We can go somewhere. You know we finna get outside. Come on.
Bro, we going to the, how much it is?
I actually, that shit I called my homie because he be knowing, but he told me he's gonna ask me, dude.
Say what I'll tell them on.
Yeah.
Camera with y'all on, man. First time seeing me, little Nick in the cut. Y'all gonna get used to it, you know. Take us up.
Yeah.
Gonna get into something.
What we on though? That time, man. Alright, this time.
Don't ask me. Shit, we slide with you. Shit, we slide with you. As your beat was yesterday. Shit, don't ask me.
Man,
Hold
look,
up.
just whatever we can do. What you trying to do?
Well, depending on what y'all trying to do.
I don't care,
We
bro.
could go, and then, cause we was just gonna take a walk.
My damn shirt on.
Alright, y'all. Y'all did see we went to the gun range. You feel me? Me and Mir. I'm gonna drop Mir Instagram in the bio. Next part 2, I'm gonna have Nick and my boy West in the cup, man. Feel me? Y'all go check out Really Rich West, man, on YouTube.